It's crazy to think that this day today is the youngest we will ever be. I remember that my son was just 6 months old and I was 21. I had no direction of where I was going with my life. I just floated with the time and was carefree. Took courses that I never really started and got kicked out because I had too many absences. I did that until a teacher pulled me aside and said I haven't been kicked out. She said that I shouldn't apply again next year. It did something to me, a reality that I didn't dare to face. I felt shame, hopelessness, and abandonment. And right then, I thought of my son. What will his future look like? What will he answer when he was asked what his father did for a living? From that day on, I pulled myself together. I wanted him to have someone to look up to, a father figure that I lacked when I was growing up, a person he could get inspiration from. I believe that showing up matters. People often underestimate the power of showing up. To be seen, to be heard, and to be recognized. What I'm trying to say is life goes by pretty quick, so enjoy the little moments. Life doesn't always go as you think, but some of them I have learned is to be grateful what you got, cause every mortal will taste death, but only few will taste life.